Hi, until recently, Advent calendars would not announce their spoilers until at least August, mid-August, around the 9th or 10th of August. Now they're announcing earlier and earlier than ever before, and the first one to announce this year has been Liberty, the full contents, that is. There are waitlists open. Waitlists are open for Cult Beauty, for Cohorted. I've linked all of the waitlists in the description box below if you're interested. Cohorted is basically the only one that I am looking at because they were quite good last year. They were quite affordable, so hopefully they will continue to be affordable this year as well. With lots and lots of full-size products last year. But the rest of them, yes, prices are continuing to go up, I'm afraid, despite the cost of living crisis and other problems that we're all facing. Liberty this year is £250. It was £245 last year. Does anybody remember back when Liberty was £195? Yes, there was a time when Liberty was just £195. And even lesser than that. That was when they began. So I dare say, the price of this one will go down eventually, as you will see. You can see the contents and conclude that the price may go down eventually. Now, the calendar looks like that, and now this year's design is a bit different, as you can see there. This year, it is an illustrated box designed by a special artist, Clem Evenden. This is what Liberty say, boasting a better than ever before lineup and an all-new look. This year's rendition of the original Beauty Advent calendar, still the best, is our most exciting yet, worth £1,043. We'll see if that is true. Containing 30 of the Liberty Beauty buyers must-have products, this year's expertly curated edit also brings together select pieces from across jewellery and accessories, alongside cult favourites, niche names, and fresh launches from our world-renowned beauty hall. See, that itself is a red flag for me. Jewellery and accessories. Who wants jewellery and accessories in a beauty advent calendar? In that case, call it a lifestyle advent calendar and mix and match them up. I don't care. If you're calling it a beauty advent calendar, Liberty Beauty, yeah, then just keep it to beauty products. I know where to go if I want jewellery, and that too, it's all fashion jewellery. It's not like they're going to give us really fine, proper jewellery. Why would you want to mix and match that with beauty, I ask? And accessories. Oh my God, what is that even supposed to mean? It could be anything from toothpaste to hair scrunchies, it could be anything from toothpaste to scrunchies, and these are invariably rather cheaply made. I don't say they're cheap looking, maybe they're cheaply made. They don't cost much to manufacture. Cheaply made products that are space fillers in beauty advent calendars. Now, another thing is that they've got 5 advent calendars with a golden ticket hidden inside one of the drawers, awarding the lucky winner £1,000 to spend at Liberty. They make all these claims. I don't know anyone who's ever won one of these golden tickets from any of the advent calendars. Cult Beauty does this as well. Never seen it. So Liberty claims that 29 products are included in this advent calendar, of which 19 are full-sized. Again, 29 products. I'd rather you send 24 or 25 products, which are all decent and proper, rather than 29, 35, 40, 7,921. Who cares? Anyway, all of this doesn't matter. What matters are the contents. So what we are going to do is we're going to look at the contents, whether there are repeats from last year, including brand repeats, including product repeats, including whether, just a fragrance or a version has changed. And we're also going to look at the full sizes and the retail value of the full sizes, and whether the total cost of the advent calendar, that is £250, whether that is achieved by adding up just the cost of the full-size products in the advent calendar, because you only pay for full sizes. The rest are samples, freebies, gifts with purchase, whatever, you get them free. Yeah, non-full sizes. So I will also be telling you the standalone retail value of any products that do have retail value, even if they are not necessarily full-sized. You may or may not add them up as you see fit. So off we go. The first product, Rose Ink Cream Blush in Daily, full-sized, retailing at £25. Now that looks like that, and last year they sent out the Rose Ink Brow Gel. So this year it is not a brow gel but a cream blush. Now that actually looks good, so well begun, nice. Unfortunately, the good beginning doesn't really sustain very well, because the next product is Agostina's Spader. I'm not going to tell you what it is. Here it is. Yes, that is 15 mils. I'm not going to tell you what that is. If you can't identify that, then you're very, very new to advent calendars and all this channel. Anyway, this is 15 mils. which is not full-sized. It is standalone retail-sized with a value of £71. I'm not going to count that. It may or may not be a good product, but the fact is that it is so oft repeated that all I want to say is bah. The next product is Paula's Choice, and here it is. You'll probably see a lot of this year. Again, I'm not going to tell you what that is. You only get 30 mils. Full size is 118 mils. Not going to count it. This is a good product by itself. However, it is so oft repeated that, all you want to do is snooze, snore loudly when you see it. The next product is from Verdant. It is Dorangerie Hand Cream, 75 mils. So this is full-sized and retails at £28. Yeah, that actually sounds nice, very lush sounding. The next is from Votary. It is the Night Star Serum, 30 mils. Now, this is another very new product. Last year they sent out the Votary Nutrient Cream. Votary has an intense night oil, which is 50 mils. This is only 30 mils. They claim it is full size, which is probably true because Votary serums retail at 30 mils and at 50 mils. Now, while this is full-sized, I'm afraid I do not know the retail price of this product because I can't find it anywhere. So we'll leave that open-ended. The next product is the Davine Oil Shampoo, 90 mils you get, which is travel size because 280 mils is full-sized. Last year they sent out 50 mils of the oil from Davine. The next product makes me say gah and bah because it is from Dr. BS. The face cream, you get 20 mils, which is travel size. Now, my problem with Dr. BS is that 50 mils of this cream costs £140. £140 for a face cream, 50 mils. CeraVe gives you 375 mils for, 20 quid? Yeah, 140 quid for 50 mils. 375 mils, 20 quid or so, tops. I don't know the exact cost right now. And CeraVe works a treat on my skin, keeping it wonderfully non-flaky after the vaccination wrecked my face. And Dr. BS, 140 quid for 50 mils. Now, the 20 mil tiny little sample does have a retail value of 60 quid. If you want, you can count it. I will not. The next is a candle from Liberty. It is the Stately Bouquet. Last year, they sent out the Hera candle. 60 grams is what you get. 300 grams is full size. Not going to count it either. Next, you have from Le Labo Rose 31 Liquid Balm. Now, this is full size. What it is an alcohol-free perfume. It is a rollerball perfume, people, full size. Last year, they sent out the Te Marche perfume. Now, this one retails at £68. We'll be counting it. Next, we have from Malin & Goetz the Rum Bar Soap, 50 grams you get. Full size is 140 grams. Not going to count it. Last year, they sent out a face serum from Malin & Goetz. So, lots and lots of brands being repeated. Yeah, you have very few absolutely new brands in here. Next, you have from Larry King, Spoiled for Choice Hair Oil, 30 mils. They claim this is full size. Sorry, 100 mils is full size, which retails at £55. 30 mils may have a standalone retail value of £28, but I am not going to count it as full size because full size is 100 mils. Now, last year they sent out a Social Life for Your Hair from the same brand, Larry King, in this advent calendar. Next, you have from the Seated Queen, Cassiopeia Serum Concentrate, 10 mils. You get 30 mils is full size, not going to count it. Last year, they sent out the cold cream from the same brand. Sunday Riley Luna Sleeping Night Oil, 15 mils, is next, which does have a retail value of £45. Last year, they sent out the Autocorrect Eye Cream from the same brand. Next is another full-sized makeup product, the Surat Releve Mascara, 6 mils, £28 is the retail value. Last year, they sent out the lipstick from Surat, a lip product, but yeah, from the same brand. Next, you have from Otto, the exfoliating cleanser, 25 mils you get. They claim it is full size. How can 25 mils be a full-sized cleanser anyhow? Sorry, full size is 100 mils. 25 mils is not full size. Liberty lists this as full size. Sorry, it is not, because 100 mils is full sized. Yeah, think about it. Face cleanser, how much can you? You can't have a 25 mil size face cleanser, full size, can you? 100 mils, 125 mils, 150 mils, that's a standard face cleanser, full size. Go to any drugstore, go to Superdrug, go to Boots. You find face cleansers, 100 mils, 125 mils, 150 mils. You don't find 25 mils, tiny little things saying full sized over there, right? You might find it as a, sampling size or something. Yeah, that's not full size, Anyway, this is a CBD-based cleanser. The next product is the Deep Conditioner, 50 mils you get. 200 mils is full size, which retails at £22. I'm not going to count this. The next one is indeed full size and is quite exciting. It is the Byredo lipstick in either solid ground or commuter. 3 grams, full size, retailing at £40. This for me is the most exciting product in this advent calendar. Next you have from Dr. Sebo, Serum Repair Hyaluronic Acid, 20 mils, which is full sized, retailing at £72, but 50 mils also exists, and that is the true full-sized version of this. Last year they sent out the Retinol Repair from the same brand. Next you have BB Ghost of Tom EDP, 8 mils, that is travel size, not going to count it. The next product is 111 Skin Celestial Black Diamond Eye Mask under eye patches, my friends. That is full sized as opposed to half size, you know, where you only get one eye patch for one eye. Yeah, I'm sorry, this is not full size because this is just a single. Pack of 6 is what retails by itself. So pack of 6 is full size, not going to count this. Last year they sent out the Rose Quartz face mask from 111 Skin. So brands have been sending either a sheet mask or under eye patches, single by the way, from 111 Skin for a while now. And I think we're bored mindless with that. The next product is from Ren. It is the Overnight Glow Dark Spot Sleeping Cream. That is 50 mils, indeed full size, retailing at £53. Last year they sent out the Ren Glycolactic Radiance Renewal Mask. The next product is terribly exciting. Right, it is the Liberty Pocket Mirror in Elegance Print. How exciting, a pocket mirror. None of us has ever seen this product before, and none of us has ever owned one or thought about one. This is groundbreaking, my friends, and everybody needs to jump up and down in joy. And, you know, I can't contain myself for the excitement. Oh my God. A compact mirror, a pocket mirror. So exciting and so high value. I mean, that probably costs pounds and pounds, tens of thousands of pounds to produce, did it not? And it is definitely the rarest of rare products in beauty advent calendars or anywhere on earth, with a world without end. Amen. Right, I'll move on, I promise. Now, one more thing, as if all this wasn't exciting enough, the mirror is full-sized as opposed to a sample-sized mirror where you can only see this part of your nose or half an eyebrow. Right, the next product is the Wilhelm Parfumery Poets of Berlin EDP, 10 mils you get, 50 mils is full size, not going to count it. Last year they sent out Peony Couture from the same brand, perfume, same size. The next product is super duper exciting, even more exciting than a pocket mirror. It is the Stella Bartlett Star So Bright gold-plated bracelet, which retails at £18. It's a full-size product as opposed to a half-sized bracelet or a sample-sized bracelet. Right, I have nothing to say here. I think I'm not going to talk about this bracelet. I promise I'm not going to talk about this bracelet. I'll give you my thoughts at the end, yeah? The next product is even more exciting. It is the Uniform Hair Clip Duo. Oh my God, a pair of hair clips. Ooh, so exciting and exactly what we've all wanted in a beauty advent calendar, my friends. Hair Clip Duo. I know I will get a lot of thumbs downs and, you know, negative comments for this. But seriously, you charging 250 quid for bloody hair clips, a stupid gold-plated bracelet and a bloody pocket mirror. Pardon my language, but seriously, £250, Harrods level price tag. Think about it. And then give me a hate, yeah? The next product is from Zellens. It is the Instant Recharge, 30 mils indeed, full size, retailing at £85. Last year they sent out the de-emulsion. The next product is from Aromatherapy Associates. Yeah, you were wondering where that was, weren't you? It is the Deep Relax Rollerball, 10 mils indeed, full size, retailing at £25. Last year they sent out the Clear Mind Rollerball. So the only thing that's changed slightly is the fragrance. Yeah, other than that, everything is the same. Same rollerball, same brand, same everything. The next product is the Charlotte Mensa Manchetti Hair Oil. 15 mils you get, which is travel sized. 100 mils is full sized, which retails at £52. Not going to count it. The last product is an unnamed, so far unnamed that is, exclusive new Liberty product. It is probably a wash bag or something, given that they already graced us with a mirror so far. So actual beauty products which are full size: Rose Ink Blush Hand Cream, Rotary Serum 3, Le Labo Rollerball 4, Aromatherapy Associates Rollerball 5, Surat Mascara 6, Byredo Lippy 7, Ren 8. Yeah, let's count that, Dr. Sabah, and make it 9. I'm also getting the bloody mirror, the bracelet, and the hair duo. So that gives you 12 full-size products. I do not, under any circumstances, get the 19 full-size products that they claim to have. Even if the exclusive new Liberty product is full-sized, still not 19 there, people. That is one thing. Now let us do the price breakdown and see how that goes. Rose Ink Blush, 25 quid. A Virgin Hand Cream, so how many quid is that? 28 quid, sorry, my writing is completely weird. So that gives you 53 pence. For Rotary Serum, the price is not known, so I'm not going to count it now. Le Labo Rollerball, 68 pounds. 68 pounds for a rollerball obviously takes up the value to 121 pounds. Surat Mascara, 28 pounds, that gives you 149 pounds. Byredo Lipstick, 40 pounds, that gives you 189 pounds. Ren Sleeping Cream, 53 pounds, that gives you 242 pounds. The Zellens is 85 quid, that gives you 327 pounds. We have exceeded the value of the Advent calendar. Aromatherapy Associates, 25 quid, that gives you 352 pounds. So just 8 products, you get 352 pounds. That is good. It just cross the cost of the Advent calendar. Alright, now if you do add the standalone retail sizes, which I am not going to, you will obviously get a lot more. But that is in the point. For me, the most exciting product in this Advent calendar is the Byredo lipstick. I also don't mind the sound of that hand cream and that Rose Ink blush. Other than that, perfume, tiny samples. Yeah, they're rollerballs. They're both rollerballs. They're not exactly nice spritz on 30ml solids there. So, yeah. The other thing is that mascara, which is full-sized. A full-size mascara is not exactly the most groundbreaking product out there. Is it the most exciting, coloured, lovely thing? Is that, other than that, I'm not feeling this Advent calendar at all. Just buy a Byredo lipstick and go away. That's what I would do. Now, lots of duds here. There's a pocket mirror. There are hair clips. There are lots and lots and lots of repeated products from last year. There is that infamous Augustinus Bader, which makes me say, bah. That Paula's Choice 2%, which we've seen too many times, I think. Sunday Riley Luna is another oft-repeated product. The 111 Skin Under Eye Patches. Oh my God. Please stop, stop, stop. I'm just going to scream. And Dr. BS. Not at all exciting. So quite a few duds here. Yes, there's a Byredo lipstick, but does it make up for 250 quid? And does it make up for all the duds? And does it make up for all the repeats? Not in my book. I would say buy the Byredo lipstick on a Black Friday sale and enjoy yourself. And if there are 1 or 2 other products, buy those as well on Black Friday sales. So for what I would do if you are seriously considering this Advent calendar is calculate the total cost of the full-size products that you will use, that you will absolutely pay for, that you wanted to buy anyway, and see if that comes up to 250. If it's more than that, yeah, then it's worth it. Otherwise, don't waste your money on pocket mirrors and hair clips and under eye patches and Augustinus Bader, which you probably have a million of, and tiny little samples and rollerballs and things like that. Yeah. So those are my thoughts on the Liberty Advent calendar for 2023. Not a good beginning for this Advent calendar season, is it? Where to buy is linked in the description box below if you still want it. Mind you, don't take it personally, please. If you like it, well and good, enjoy. Don't listen to me, I'm a horrible killjoy. But do let me know what you think about it. Yeah, let's all be polite. Do let me know what you think about it anyway. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.